Nowadays, retired athletes are likely to have a difficult life in their retirement. It is often said that an athlete will die twice, the first time at retirement. Legends and superstars often have luxurious life thanks to their fame and fortune. But what about average athletes? What will they do after having dedicated their whole life to sports to have a more satisfying life? What can they do besides being athlete? This is a serious question and it needs solutions. According to a 2009 Sports Illustrated article, 70% of the National Football League, as we call NFL players, they're declared bankrupt or in financial broke. An estimated 60% of National Basketball Association, like NBA players, are in the same situation. There are many causes to this problem. First and foremost, an athlete's glory comes at a price: injuries. There are many types of injuries. There are minor injuries like a sprained ankle or dislocated wrist will take several weeks to recover. In contrast, severe injuries like torn ACL, ACL stands for anterior cruciate ligament, which is a crucial part in our knee, or broken body parts, could take years to heal. In some extreme cases, you might sit in a wheelchair for the rest of your life. Secondly, the athlete's imprudence or lack of forward thinking can also cause this problem. They usually think, we'll cross the bridge when it comes to it, but no, you have to think about your future before you face it. Thirdly, the inexperience of athletes in other aspects in life is a contributing factor. Success in sports requires extreme dedication, which makes it difficult for them to pay attention to other practical life skills. Last but not least, this may be a little bit difficult to explain, but athletes are somewhat addicted to sports. Imagine me, you, everybody in this room. Things that you have been doing every day are now taken away from you. You would feel empty and useless. So would athletes. They would at a loss for anything to do. There are many consequences to this problem, and the most common are financial broke, destitute, and depression. Among all, I think depression is the most serious consequence. You will never know when you may be diagnosed with depression. Depression makes you feel indifferent with everything. You will have no mood, motivation, or energy to do anything. Serious depression may also lead to suicide. So, what can we do to solve this problem? Firstly, there should be NGOs to help athletes organize their life during and after the sports career. In that way, athletes can think of ways to make a living, to make money and have a secured life. The next step is organizing courses to teach athletes different skills. This will help them be more confident to work any job for money. For those who are unable to do any job, there should be charity or government fund to help them with foods, clothes, medicines, and life's expenses. In conclusion, I think this is a sore problem and that requires solution, and with helps from everyone, retired athletes will have a brighter future and in their twilight years. That's what I want to say. Thank you for listening.